a bit nervous, but she's been waiting long for the presentation. And now it's time for her to shine. And everybody, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, my name is Biao. Today I'm going to talk with you about materials and their properties. What are materials and their properties? Materials are things we use things to do around us, like glass, plastic, paper, fabric, leather, brick, and stone. Properties are how we describe things around us, like soft, hard, rigid, smooth, awkward, and transparent. Many materials around us. Many materials can change it if you want it to change. You can change it by stretching, bending, squashing, and melting. For example, if you have a paper clip, you can melt it to turn it to a table. There are two natural materials that I have learned from today are wood and stone. But there are many more outside the woods. The other materials are all man-made, like paper, plastic, glass, fabric, rubber, and leather. Did you know which materials we can recycle? We can recycle paper, plastic, glass, and metal, and they are all put in the recycling bin. Next to the recycling bin, you have a yellow bin. You can put in it wood, fabric, leather, stone, and brick. Did you know what reduces? Reduce is a thing we don't use it, but we change it and make it to something new so that we can still use it. For example, you have an old trousers, you can cut them to make shorts, or you can make fabric with art. So, why should we need to recycle? Well, materials like plastic take a long time to decompose. So, you should recycle it to turn it to a new product. Recycling helps our environment by keeping it greener and cleaner. The main tips I want to share to you about this presentation are: reduce everything. Don't reduce everything. If you're about to throw something away, please ask yourself, can I use it again? Can I use it to do something else? Always put the trash in the right bin. Reduce using plastic as much as you can. Thank you for listening.